So right now we're working on my buddy Pedro's dryer, and the rollers were trashed. Look at this, completely gone. And we also need to replace the cutoff thermostat. This one's on its way out, so we're going to replace this one as well. This one's fine. Usually it's just these two. It's a pain in the neck to get the whole shaft out, like I did here. Usually technicians, what they'll do to avoid struggling with it is they'll just take the wheel and replace the wheel, but they will not replace the shaft. However, that shaft is toast. That thing won't last more than a couple of months. We're gonna replace the whole thing for them. Okay, so I took my respirator off. We're gonna see if this comes off. Well, yep, it's not coming off. So we're gonna have to find, I believe it's gonna be a 9/16. So this is why a lot of technicians don't like to remove the whole shaft, because as you can see, it's not an easy task. It is a 9/16, we got lucky. Let's see. So we're gonna replace those two rollers back there with the shaft. Okay, so some of you may ask, why are we only replacing these two rollers and not this one or these three right here? Well, the four are really, really good, and it's actually gotten pretty expensive to replace rollers nowadays, since prices have gone up significantly in the last few months. So it won't make sense to replace all of them. If you have four that are still good, just replace the bad ones. And regardless, in this style of dryer, the 80% of the weight of the drum lies on those two rollers. These are more for support. Okay, so right now we're looking for a resettable thermostat. This one. Let's see. Boom, Yahtzee. Found one. See a little pin right here? That means it is resettable. I think I have another one, but let's see. No, that's the only one I have right now. I have to order more. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit of a beefier safety thermal cutoff. So I'm hoping we don't have any more issues with this dryer, at least for a few years. Quick side note, get your servicers something to drink, especially on a hot day. That's awesome. We love clients that offer a drink. I don't know, or don't. It's up to you. Alright, so we're going to put this one back in. And then we should be able to tighten it up. It's always good to have little cool tools like this, because you never know when you're going to need it. You know, this was brand new. And I had one that worked with my drill, but I don't know, I think I left it somewhere. Alright, pop that bad boy in. And then we gotta wrap around the tensioner pulley. It's hot today. Quick test spin. We already cleaned this out. Okay, next.